Hello and welcome to the Articom Group's On The Go training series. I'm Jason Fay, and in this video we're going to show you the maintenance log. So every time a controller has a change made, it's going to record that change. We call this the maintenance log. So I'm going to show you what one looks like. So what we want to do is we need to hit menu, 7 for system configuration, 3 for system information, 6 for maintenance logs, and 3 for a detailed set point change log. Okay, so here's our maintenance log, and we just look at a couple things here. So one's going to give you the date, the time the log was done. It's going to tell you who logged in. So if you see up here it says local, so that was somebody at the keypad physically made those changes. And then if you see a LOC-TM, that means it was done in terminal mode through the UltraSite remotely. Here's the user name, KIC. So let's look down here. So board point 3.2, A1-2, multi-deck frozen meat, sensor offset from -2 to 0. So that's showing us that on January 20th at 16:32, somebody logged in remotely through terminal mode from KIC and put an offset from -2 to 0 offset for system A1-2. So that's the maintenance log. This thing is going to record everything you do, so make sure the changes you make are proper, and if not, call your supervisor or your team lead for direction. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I'm Jason Fay. See ya.